Good afternoon. It is Wednesday, the 26th of June. Hope you're having a great hump day today. In most locations, the sun is shining, it's humid, it's warm outside, and there are a handful of locations where we're seeing some rain fall, and I will show you radar momentarily. We talked about yesterday the opportunity to see a couple of spotty showers in the area. That's exactly what we're seeing this afternoon, but as I talked about yesterday as well, most places were going to be dry, and in fact most are. So that said, let us begin the show.
It's time to go outside. It's raining cats and dogs. Someone told me it's about to snow. I need a friend, it's PittsburghWeatherNow.com, and it's starting to show.
And again, a happy Wednesday afternoon to you. Thanks as always to good brother Earl for providing the whiteboard weather theme song. Whoa. All right. Many of the, all of the photos that you saw there are compliments of our photo gallery, which is ever expanding, and you can see them all right there. There's a link from the homepage at PittsburghWeatherNow.com, and I can quickly show you what's cooking on the homepage. There you see one of our photo galleries, and as we go to the homepage, and our photo galleries are sponsored by the Buell Insurance Agency, so thanks to Aaron Buell. Right on the homepage, I saw some of you commenting, you got your whiteboard weather t-shirts. Some are going on vacation, and if you want to get yours, our Pittsburgh Weather Now shop link is right there at the top of the homepage. The whiteboard weather theme song video from good brother Earl is a link right there. And if you have not voted yet, please do so. Best TV personality as nominated through the Pittsburgh City paper, and there's a link right there to vote. So you can see on our homepage links to all of our recent content, including our fun fact of the day. Today it talks about earthquakes, something we don't often hear a lot about here, but there's a little fun fact of the day there right excuse me, on the homepage. I see some of you writing in that it is thundering in your area or raining. As I said, there are a handful of some showers and a couple thunderstorms in through parts of the area. Many places are not seeing a shower or thunderstorm, but there are a handful that are, and I'll get to radar momentarily as I'm trying to bring that up on Radar Scope. As more folks continue to join, I will tell you that we're getting into more of a summer pattern, a typical summer pattern, which means warm and humid days with that chance to see a spotty shower thunderstorm popping up. That's going to starts today and will likely continue through the upcoming weekend. But again, much of the time it will not be raining. Very quickly, let us get to some birthdays today. If you are celebrating or know someone that is, these are folks that celebrate today. Ariana Grande, the singer, celebrates her birthday today. Derek Jeter, one of the greatest baseball players of all time. Michael Vick, celebrates his birthday today. Actor Chris O'Donnell, singer Chris Isaac, country singer Gretchen Wilson, and former Pittsburgh Pirate catcher Jason Kendall. Remember him? He's 45 years old today. Today is National Coconut Day. It is also National Beautician's Day, so shout out to all the cosmetologists out there. And it's also National Chocolate Pudding Day today. So there you go. That's the rundown of what we got cooking today. Happy birthday to your son, Diane. I see you writing in just now. All right. As I said, it is now approximately 5 minutes after 3 o'clock, and this is the radar as of 3:06 this afternoon. Those of you writing in down around the Brownsville Republic area, you can see there is a shower, thunder shower, moving into your neck of the woods. Also back around or just south of Washington, there's one shower, and there's also one between Waynesburg and Morgantown that is straddling the Pennsylvania and West Virginia state line. As we get a little further north, you can see a couple showers popping generally across parts of Indiana County, or at least the border with Indiana and Armstrong County, and then a little further north up and through parts of northern Lawrence as well as Mercer County. A couple of showers popping there. You can see there are no warnings associated with any of these showers / thunder showers. Mainly what you would see is probably get a little thunder and lightning and probably a quick downpour of rain. But again, you can see many areas not seeing a shower or thunder shower across the area at this hour. So that's the latest on radar. And this is sort of, again, a pattern. We could see the thread for one of these pop-ups between now, let's say about 7 o'clock this evening, and then things will settle down very quickly as we get closer to sunset. And the reason being for some of this activity, and we talked about this yesterday if you were with us, was a little boundary to the north, which I'll talk about momentarily. Very quickly, though, our current temperature is 82. Southwest wind at 12, the dew point at 65. Get used to those mid 60 degree dew points. They're going to be around for the next several days, so it is and it will stay muggy right through the weekend. As always, we are sponsored by Chick-fil-A in Robinson. Here is a look at the surface map, and we talked about it yesterday. This boundary to the north up across the Great Lakes would nudge a little closer, interacting with some of the moisture in the atmosphere and just enough energy to spark off a scattered or spotty shower or thunder shower. The front, though, is never going to get through here. The brakes get put on to the north and it becomes stationary as it starts to sense and feel high pressure, which will be in control through the day tomorrow. So if you have plans on Thursday, they're looking good. It's going to be warm, it's going to be humid, but there will be no rain tomorrow with that boundary staying to the north. And then as we head through the weekend, you can see the boundary is going to waffle a little bit. Again, I think the best chance to maybe sneak in a shower in parts of the area Friday would be north. And I think that same general area near I-80 would be fair game to see a shower or thunder shower on Saturday. This is Friday, again, generally dry under that ridge of high pressure. As we move ahead to Saturday very quickly, this is Saturday morning. You'll notice not much happening that high down to our south, but it does flatten out a little bit here on the top side. And you can see a couple of these showers starting to pop up in through the Great Lakes as you get up near I-80. And I'm going to move right into the heart of Saturday afternoon. You'll notice that area I talked about, northeast Ohio, northwestern Pennsylvania. That's the fair game area, I think, Saturday to see a shower or thunder shower. Locally, it's probably going to stay quiet or rain-free through the day on Saturday, and probably for that matter through most of the day on Sunday as well. So again, it's really going to be hit and miss with any coverage over the course of the next several days, but do not, and I repeat, do not cancel any of your outdoor plans, because many of you for much of the day between now and Sunday and even Monday will be rain-free. That said, let me go to the whiteboard and show you what is happening for the next several days, at least according to my forecast and not my fearcast. We're sponsored by Chick-fil-A in Robinson. Hashtag Eat more chicken. I saw Fayette City checking in there. That's why I said that. Thanks, Michelle, for checking in. Vicky and Moon, how are you as well? Sunset tonight, 8:54. Sunrise tomorrow, 5:51. Moon phase is waning crescents. Allergy index today, grass and trees are in the moderate range. We talked about this yesterday. The June rainfall, 5.92 inches. Of the 26 days this month, 15 have included measurable rainfall. Tonight, after the spotty thunder shower chance dies down, which should be around 7 o'clock or so, partly cloudy and muggy. Your AC is really going to come in handy the next several days. 65 the low. Tomorrow, mixture of clouds and sunshine, 84. I think everyone stays dry tomorrow. Tomorrow night, fair skies, 67. Then on Friday, partly sunny skies, 86 degrees, warm and humid. Can't rule out a spotty shower, but I think most places will be dry on Friday. Then Saturday, warm and muggy, that late afternoon thunderstorm chance. Mainly near and north of I-80, I think, is the best chance, so it could be highly location dependent. So if your plans on Saturday take you north, maybe up near Moraine State Park, Lake Arthur, maybe up into parts of Mercer County or further north up toward Erie, just be aware that you'll be at a higher risk to see a shower or thunderstorm the second half of the day on Saturday. Sunday, partly sunny skies, 84, and Monday, sunshine and 82 degrees. So again, low to mid 80s is where we'll be setting up shop for our highs the next several days. As a result, all the business that the pools lost probably the last week to 10 days, they're going to make up for it over the next 5 to 7 days as we settle into a very warm and humid, more typical pattern for Western Pennsylvania for late June as we head toward early July. Quickly, a couple things I saw coming up this weekend if you're planning ahead. Kennywood has Kids Fest this weekend. The Zach Brown Band is playing Friday at KeyBank Pavilion. And starting this Friday in Butler County, the 164th Big Butler Fair, and that runs through July the 6th. So that's just over a week that the Big Butler Fair will be going on up in Butler County. So that's a couple things you can plan for heading closer to the weekend. I think that is going to do it for today. For those of you that commented on the picture I posted, I think it was this morning, about my son last night, Vaughn/Carson. His team won their tournament championship last night. Great game against North Hills. They won 3-2. It was a very exciting game that went down to literally the very last out. But congratulations to my son Carson and his teammates from Brad Marpine for winning their tournament championship last night. And thank you for your kind words and comments. And we have more baseball coming up this weekend. Both of my boys this weekend will be playing in Central Valley. So I'll see you folks up in Beaver County this weekend. We'll be spending a good bit of time up in Central Valley on Saturday and on Sunday. I think that is going to wrap it up for right now. Somebody asked, is there a weather alert? There was one earlier. I'll quickly see if a new one came up while I was talking. Yes, as a matter of fact, one just did. Let me bring it up for you. Thank you for bringing that to my attention. I like to give you breaking weather information when I can. A new warning was just issued. It goes until a thunderstorm warning that goes until 3:45. And it's for this particular thunderstorm. There you go. That includes the southern tier of Washington County and also Waynesburg. It's that thunderstorm that's moving to the east-southeast, probably at a rate of about 30 to 40 miles an hour. But the main threat would be for straight line wind gusts. So there is a thunderstorm warning for that particular cell that goes until 3:45 this afternoon. So that is your breaking weather information for that particular cell. All right, we'll be dodging again, playing hit and miss with a couple showers, a couple thunderstorms through about 7 o'clock this evening. A quiet day tomorrow, and then generally just a warm and humid pattern through the weekend with about a 30% chance that we could see something popping up Saturday, mainly north. But otherwise should be a fine weekend to hang out by the pool. It's going to do it. Hope you have yourself a great rest of this hump day. And I will talk to you tomorrow. See ya.